Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your laptop supports the Google Indic input path. On Windows, you'll use the Google Input Tools extension or Chrome OS Android support. Once done, enable Android apps on Chromebook or install the Chrome extension on Windows. Make sure to sign into Chrome with your Google account, then add the extension or enable Play Store. You're setting the foundation so the input method can integrate with system keyboards and browser fields without permission conflicts. Now you configure the actual input method. Install Google Indic Input extension or the Android app, then add the Indic language you need. Once added, choose between transliteration, type phonetically in Latin letters, or the native script layout. Transliteration is faster for beginners. Next, set a convenient shortcut to toggle languages and enable voice typing if you prefer. Make sure the extension/app permissions are granted so the keyboard appears in text fields and behaves consistently. To finish, practice switching between your native and Indic input using the shortcut and type test phrases in Google Docs or Gmail. If characters fail to appear, restart the browser or Play Store app, verify permissions, and reinstall the extension or app. That usually fixes driver or permission conflicts. Make sure language suggestions are enabled and adapt transliteration choices by typing common words so prediction improves. This step reduces errors and speeds up your typing in daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.